The Introvert Oasis presents The Power of Solitude, 7 Benefits of Alone Time. Do you ever feel like you need a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Do you find yourself craving some alone time to recharge and rejuvenate? Well, you're not alone. In fact, taking time for ourselves can have a multitude of benefits that can enhance our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So today, we're going to explore 7 benefits of alone time and give you some tips on how to make the most of your solo time. Number 1. Improved self-awareness. Spending time alone helps us to become more self-aware. When we are alone, we are free from distractions and external influences, allowing us to tune into our thoughts and feelings. This increased awareness can lead to a deeper understanding of our strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. By taking the time to reflect on our experiences and emotions, we can gain valuable insight into ourselves and our motivations. To improve self-awareness, try journaling or meditating regularly. This can help you to identify patterns in your thoughts and behaviors and develop a greater understanding of your emotions. Pay attention to your physical sensations, such as tension or relaxation, as they can be clues to your emotional state. By cultivating self-awareness, you can improve your relationships with others and lead a more fulfilling life. Number 2. Increased creativity. Solitude is a breeding ground for creativity. When we're alone, we're free to explore our ideas and interests without distractions. This can lead to innovative thinking and problem-solving. By allowing ourselves the space to think deeply and explore our curiosity, we can unlock new ideas and perspectives. To boost creativity, try spending time in nature, exploring a new hobby, or engaging in artistic activities. Creative expression can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and approaches, and give yourself permission to make mistakes along the way. Number 3. Better decision-making. Alone time can help us make better decisions. When we're not influenced by external factors, we can evaluate our options and weigh the pros and cons of each decision. This helps us make choices that align with our values and goals. By taking the time to reflect on our decisions, we can gain greater clarity and confidence in our choices. To improve decision-making skills, take a break from social media and other distractions to clear your mind. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being by practicing self-care and mindfulness techniques. By developing a deeper understanding of your values and priorities, you can make decisions with greater confidence and purpose. Number 4. Increased productivity. Alone time can be incredibly productive. Without distractions or interruptions, we can focus on our goals and priorities. This can lead to increased efficiency and better outcomes. By creating a dedicated space and time for focused work, we can accomplish more in less time. To maximize productivity, set specific goals for your alone time and prioritize tasks that require focus and attention. Use tools such as timers or to-do lists to stay on track and avoid procrastination. Take breaks as needed to avoid burnout and maintain your energy levels. By harnessing the power of solitude, you can accomplish more and feel more fulfilled in your work. Number 5. Improved mental health. Solitude is an excellent way to improve mental health. It provides a space for us to recharge and reduce stress and anxiety. It also allows us to practice self-care and relaxation techniques. By prioritizing our mental and emotional well-being, we can reduce the risk of burnout and improve our overall quality of life. To improve mental health, try activities such as taking a bath, practicing mindfulness, or reading a book. These activities can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Make time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, and don't be afraid to seek support from loved ones or professionals if needed. Number 6. Increased self-esteem. Spending time alone can also boost our self-esteem. By taking the time to pursue our interests and goals, we can develop a greater sense of self-worth and accomplishment. Additionally, by prioritizing our own needs and desires, we send a message to ourselves that we are deserving of love and respect. To increase self-esteem, set achievable goals and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Practice positive self-talk and focus on your strengths and abilities. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion, and don't compare yourself to others. By cultivating a positive self-image, you can improve your relationships and lead a happier, more fulfilling life. Before going to the last benefit, if you think you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos of introverts and their unique personalities. And don't forget to check the description for more information that we've put together especially for you. For example, a selection of great books that all introverts will enjoy. I really appreciate your support. Number 7. Enhanced spiritual growth. Finally, solitude can be a powerful tool for spiritual growth. By disconnecting from the distractions of the outside world, we can connect with our inner selves and develop a deeper understanding of our place in the world. This can lead to greater feelings of purpose and meaning in our lives. To enhance spiritual growth, try practicing gratitude, engaging in prayer or meditation, or exploring your beliefs and values. Take time to reflect on your place in the world and your role in making a positive impact. By prioritizing spiritual growth, you can lead a more meaningful and purposeful life. Now that you know the incredible benefits of alone time, it's time to start prioritizing some solo time in your life. Remember, taking time for yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary for your overall well-being. So go ahead, set aside some time to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. Whether it's taking a solo hike, reading a book, or simply enjoying some quiet time, the benefits of alone time are waiting for you. So don't wait any longer, start reaping the rewards of solo time today. So what do you think of these 7 benefits of alone time? Leave your comment, I love reading them all. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.